So this week will be our last week of talking about pipe flow. Specifically, we're going to talk about how do you select the best style of rotary dynamic pump. We are also going to talk about how things change as you change the flow rate through a system, because we're going to develop what's called the system curve. Because if you look at everything that we've done up until this point, the frictional forces are all going to be based on the flow rate. So the higher the flow rate, the more friction you have. And as we've learned with the pumps, the higher the flow rate, the more head we're going to deliver. So the question becomes, where do we make that balance to what flow rate we want a system at, to where the pump is putting out just enough head to accommodate the system. And last thing is, we have one final pipe workshop that's going to have everything that we've done in it. Major losses, minor losses, net positive suction head. It'll be a fun time.